Very warm welcome, one and all present over here. So, today we start with our subject, it named as pharmaceutical microbiology, and our subject code is BP303T. So, without wasting our time, we will start with our topic. It is introduction of microbiology. So, microbiology, it is a subject which having different types of scope. Like consider study of microorganism and its effect on pharmaceutical product. So our objective to study that subject, it is to understand different methods of identification, then cultivation, different preservative methods, also to understand what is sterilization, what are the different methods used in preparation of pharmaceutical microbiological products, as well as how the sterilization can be done, then how those microorganisms are sensitized during production of pharmaceutical products. All these objectives are considered during this subject. So, introductory part of our syllabus, it is what is the definition of your microbiology. The word microbiology itself derived from Greek language, in which micros means small and bios means life. Means student, small microorganism and its life structure, which is considered in a microbiology. So it is the branch of science that is concerned primarily with biology of microorganism and their effect on other living microorganism, means how the microorganism affect on the lifestyle of other microorganism or other living things, they are considered in this microbiology. So example of different microorganism like bacteria, protozoa, algae, fungus and different types of viruses. I think these points are already known to you. Now the microbiology, it is basically divided into two parts. First it is pure and second it is applied. Means pure microbiology and applied microbiology. Pure microbiology, which included different types of branches like bacteriology, protozoology, then parasitology, virology, these all are included in pure microbiology. And applied means these are the branches in which microorganisms are used for the development of different types of products and all, like your medical microbiology, pharmaceutical microbiology, food microbiology, soil microbiology, and etc. So, when microbiological concept, process, and techniques are applied in a pharmaceutical operation, the subject is then called as specifically pharmaceutical microbiology, which is considered in our syllabus. Okay, so objective of our pharmaceutical microbiology, already we are discussed in a starting, it is to ensure safety and efficacy of pharmaceutical products. Different types of pharmaceutical products we are using, like consider example vaccines, seras. These all the pharmaceutical preparations, they are prepared from different types of microbiological microbes. So when we are using these pharmaceutical products, they should be safe and good for the health of human beings. So pharmaceutical microbiology, it is having a objective to prepare a safety and efficacious pharmaceutical products. Okay, so it it is embers to validation of disinfectant, evaluation of efficacy of disinfectant in a suspension on surface and throughout the trials. Different types of disinfectant we are using nowadays. Everybody know that corona, it is big issue, suffering, each and everyone it is suffering from this problem. So during that we are using that sanitizers, different types of disinfectants. So when we are using this type of pharmaceutical products, they should be kill those microorganisms properly. These are the things which are considered during preparation of that pharmaceutical products. As well as it offers protocol and techniques associated with the operation and assurance of clean room, aseptic room and control environment from for prevention any possible microorganism contamination and introduce risk assessment and practical contamination control strategy. This point included means when we are going to prepare any parenteral preparation. Example, like example we are already consider it is a vaccine or syringe or any parenteral preparation. When we are going to prepare this type of formulation, that formulation should be prepared in a proper controlled air room, as well as a cleaning of that room, it should be proper. Also the air vent come inside and air go outside, it should be a proper control, because number of microorganisms they are also present in your air, so it may affect our different types of pharmaceutical product. So these all the things are considered in a objective of pharmaceutical microbiology. Okay, and so how these things are started and from where this microbiology get invented. So Mr. Louis Pasteur is regarded as a father of microbiology, whereas Robert Koch is a father of medicinal microbiology. These are the two scientists which are considered as father of microbiology and father of medical microbiology. We are having a history of all those scientists. So we started with it, history, in which first 1673 and up to 1723, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, he described live microorganism that he observed in a teeth scraping and rainwater, as well as a first observed accurate shape of RBC. This is the first scientist who observed that microorganisms are present in an environment. They are live. Here in a right hand side, a photo of that person, as well as in a second image it is a microscope replica. This is the first invention of microscope by which they observed accurate shape of RBC. Already we are discussed in our syllabus in HAP what is the shape of that RBC and all. Okay, so he is a first person accurately see the live microorganism. Everybody aware about that microorganism are live and it can be observed by This first scientist, it is Leeuwenhoek. Okay. Then next, second person, it is Louis Pasteur. Person, it is Louis Pasteur. This scientist invent number of things regarding to microorganism. Scientist from 1822 to 1895 named is Louis Pasteur. He is a French organic chemist. Basically, he is a chemist. He considered as a father of modern microbiology. Different things he was observed during his research. First point, it is fermentation process. Fermentation, I think everybody aware about fermentation process. So beer and or wine, it is not produced without the microorganism. So different types of alcoholic beverages, they are synthesized by only one process, that is called as a fermentation. Means microorganism, they will utilize all those things and they will form a alcohol preparation. Okay, so that things first announced by Mr. Louis Pasteur. Okay, second, microbes causes the spoilage. Means different types of microorganism, they will spoil different types of food material. I think we all are aware about that. When microorganism get come in a contact with the food material, they will definitely do both the things. Might be they will form a good food material or bad food material. Okay, so by this microorganism they get categorized. So among that, one uh, point it is discovered by Mr. Louis Pasteur, it is microbes causes the spoilage. Then next point, it is demonstrated the gut cotton experiment. The gut cotton experiment, in which microorganisms, they are surrounded in an environment and they can be trapped by this gut cotton. After trapping that microorganism, it can be dissolved in an alcoholic preparation, and that alcoholic preparation get on the nutrient broth medium and microorganism get developed. From this, it is observed that microorganisms, they are available in a surrounding. Next, it is perform swan neck flask experiment. In your right hand side, below the photo of Mr. Louis Pasteur, there is a one image in which round bottom flask, it is having a curved glass tube. In that experiment, we are observed that in a first image, the bottle which is having a burner, when burner it is on, that nutrient broth medium evaporate all the different types of microorganism or remove those microorganisms which are present in a empty vessels. After removing that, again stop that burner. The microorganism present in a air, they get come again from that tube to the nutrient broth medium for development. But due to that shape, that microorganism get trapped into that curve shape, and after that microorganism slowly enter into the nutrient broth medium. After some time, that curve shaped tube was broken. Here we have observed that curved neck, it is removed in third image, and last image microorganism growth in a broth medium. Means again cotton gun cotton experiment and swan neck flask experiment, which is quite similar in its theory. Next, it is different place having different types of concentration of microorganism. Here we observed that different location having different types of microorganism. If consider we are present in a temple, at that location there are very low presence of microorganism, and if we are going in a any slum area, there microorganism or any social area where sanitization it is not good, at that location microorganisms are very high. So simultaneously all those things are considered in his theory. So different places having different concentration of microorganism. Next, disproved a spontaneous generation, as well as next point, it developed a pasteurization process. Pasteurization, this is one of the process by which microorganism they can be killed during with the help of different temperature situation. We will consider that point in a next point, but same that pasteurization it is discovered by Louis Pasteur. That name itself indicate pasteurization. So Louis Pasteur. And next it is virulence power. Virulence power, which is also considered as principle of immunization. So immunization, we know that immunization, immune, if we are immune means we are having good immune power or having good immunity. So that immunity